welcome back to my channel. I'm Diamond, also known as the Quality Name, here on YouTube, Instagram, and technically Twitter. Today's video is going to be a 3-in-1. So I'll be showing you guys one of my favorite, I wouldn't even say favorite, one of my go-to wrap hairstyles when I just want to protect my babies and don't really feel like they need to be out and about. A quick and easy makeup routine and a Firmoo glasses try on haul. Everything that I use will be listed in the description box below. And for today's tutorial, all we're using is some Free the Roots moisturizing spray, a hair tie, a wrap, edge control, and I'll show y'all which edge control I use, but y'all will see later on in the video. Obviously I need to be using a different one or a different technique. It's so crazy because I used to have it down packed how I did my my edges, but anyways, neither here nor there. I take the scarf and I lay it down and I just do a flat lay, and honestly I crisscross it and I kind of go from there. So this is all just tuck and roll, see what you like, and that's pretty much it. And this particular scarf, I want to say I got it from the thrift store for $2. And you'll see me just fidgeting and just adjusting wherever I see, wherever I think it'll fit better or give a flatter look. Personally, when I am looking for a more sleek look, I do care more about the way that I position my bun because it does have an effect on how the wrap looks. But for purposes of me just wanting to leave the house really quickly, I really don't care. But it's completely up to you. So if you are looking for more of a sleeker look, I would do a tighter bun. But if you do not mind, then just follow how I did it. And honestly, I never really style my edges the same. I've been on this whole curl-esque type thing in the middle. I'm not stuck to it, I tried to spray, just a little bit more of the moisturizing spray and think maybe that would do something different. It didn't, but kind of curl my hair up some more. What I'm doing right here is just tucking the rest of my baby hair / teenage hair-ish back up under the wrap. And this just gives it more of a quote-unquote sleeker look, so to say. But yeah, I don't even know what I was doing here. Just random styling. One thing I can say, back in my day when I used to be really good at styling my edges, whatever you see before you put your wrap on is exactly what you will see after the fact. So make sure it's laid down exactly how you want it, and that's pretty much the key to it. But I honestly, y'all, I think I lost my sauce. It's been so long since I laid them properly. I don't know. Okay, zoom in. So here I am using the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. And this is only $2, I want to say, at Target. So first I like to put that on, and then I like to tweeze my brows. And I've been tweezing my brows since I was 14. So I don't mind the pain, but I would definitely suggest you applying pressure with your other hand so that it releases some of the pain as you're pulling, because you don't want to just yank hairs out like I'm doing. So listen to me. Don't do what I do. Just listen. But if you're comfortable, definitely you should be fine. Always make sure that you are using clean tweezers. Oh, I had to step and go into a mirror because I couldn't hold the handheld and tweeze at the same time. It's getting too difficult. So what I'm using next is the NYX Dip Shape and Go Longwear Brow Pomade. And what's really cool about this one is it's a 3-in-1. So it comes with the spoolie, it comes with the pomade, and then it comes with a thin brush to apply. When I first got this one, I got it in the color Auburn because I was trying to match it a little bit closer to my hair, but not to be so drastic that it contrasted with the darkness of my eyebrows and the lightness of my hair. But as y'all all may know, or may not know, not sure, I I did have like bleached eyebrows briefly, so this kind of like just it was kind of like the median between, and allowed it to like flow more seamlessly for me. But right now I'm still using it because my hair is still Auburn-esque, so I'm like, why not? It's a good product. Also, what you saw me doing there was just trimming my excess eyebrow hairs. And like I said, like I've been doing my eyebrows since I was about 14, so this is how I do it. I do still get my eyebrows threaded and whatnot. It's just been a really long time. I like to, like, in between appointments or maintenance or whatever, just do it myself. So yeah, but here I'm just tweezing just a couple more hairs on the top. I try not to tweeze too much on the top because that gives it the illusion of making them a little bit more fuller and thicker. But I just want to just like a cleaner look on the top, so I just tweezed a little bit. So right here, what you see me doing is using the RK by Kiss HD Concealer Foundation in Cool Tan. And right now I'm just outlining my eyebrow. And honestly, I would suggest that you wait a little bit longer after you tweeze before applying product. I did put like a little bit of Vaseline on my eyebrows prior to tweezing them, just to like help with the process, but I didn't show that. I didn't picture it here. But yeah, just give this a little time because you don't want the I guess the potential of like contamination. I don't know. Just wait a little bit because it could be just sore. And yeah, but I just wanted y'all to see like what I do sometimes when I want a more of an emphasis on my brow. And then I use my spoolie and I just kind of like brush it out. And so now onto the eyelashes. So I use an eyelash curler, and I feel like you can see the difference immediately as after I use them. And I am using, the mascara I'm using today is the Maybeline, the Falsies Lash Lift in Ultra Black, which is so crazy because this was my favorite mascara in high school. And I remember it was just a full-blown purple tube. So cool that like I'm still using the same mascara and now it's silver. But what I like to do first is go at the tips of my lashes, and this allows it to give it more of a lift, I guess you could say. And then I do a second pass, but I do it while my eyelashes are still relatively wet, and I push up from the base. And this just elongates my curls, and it fluffs out as well when I do like the fanning of the mascara. Okay, thumbnail. Oh, and I also like to do my bottom lashes because I just think it looks really cute. I want to get into the whole like squeezing them together so it has the more like dramatic baby doll-esque type look. But for now, this is just what I do. Dance break. I was listening to Clones by Tierra Whack. Yeah, I'm like, what was I listening to? Okay, so here I'm just doing an outline, and I'm using that same lip pencil that I mentioned in one of my older videos. I don't quite know the name of the brand. I just know it's like $1 or $1.99 at the beauty supply store. And the one that I apply on the outline is Coco, and then on my bottom lip I apply brown. And this just kind of gives me like an even tone against the top and the bottom of my lips, and I just like the look. And now what I'm doing is just applying a little bit of that same concealer in Cool Tan on the outline of my lips, just because I do have a little bit of a stash, and it just gives the illusion of a cleaner look. But this makeup that I like to do, quote unquote makeup, when I just want to do something just a little different. But yeah, so here are my edges. You guys see, just curling up. I don't even, disrespectful, but it like, look what yeah, it's cute from a distance. So I wanted to show you guys my glasses that I got from Firmoo, and these pairs are the A22275X, and everything that I'm about to show you guys I will list in the description box below. But what's really cool about Firmoo, you can get either prescription or non-prescription glasses. So these ones right here are the F18905As, and I do have a the blue lens thing in there. They also provide you with a cloth with each glass that also works as a holder for the glasses. Like, clean your glasses with the same cloth. I think that's like super dope and, you know, resourceful, you know? This last pair are the F18903As, and you can use my code DIA50 for 50% off. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Peace. You still here?